Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and for this Monday motivation, I want to share a story from this book. Sometimes some stories that we read are truly inspirational. And I was reading to my son tonight, and I was thinking I need to share this with you. If you're a parent or if you're involved with little kids, you probably know this series. This is called Dragons, and it was written by Cressida Cowell. It's a series of books with the extraordinary adventures of Hiccup and his dragon and his friends and their dragons. They go on quests and on adventures and on impossible journeys, and it's really, really very gripping. Now, in this particular episode, they are on a quest, as usual. And in the beginning of the book, we are told that Fishlegs, one of Hiccup's best friends, has a problem. His dragon basically attaches to his head and will not let go, and because his dragon has been absolutely terrified by something, and therefore it's right from the beginning of this book, Fishlegs is really basically handicapped by the fact that his dragon is stuck to his head, and it's painful and it's heavy and it makes everything really, really difficult for him. Now, at the stage that we're reading now, which is about roughly 2/3 through the book, they are deep in a cave and they have found what they are looking for, which is a crown. And they're trying to escape from this cave to the relative safety of the outside world above the cave. And they are being basically chased by various dragons who are obviously trying to kill them. And we get to a bit of the story where actually Fishlegs' dragon, who is attached to his head, becomes what saves them, because they pretend that this is a rare kind of dragon that is trying to pick their brains, and basically they frighten, they lie, but they frighten the other dragons. And this to me is very, very symbolic of life and of difficulties and of things that make our lives difficult and that we resent. How often do we have things in our lives that make our lives difficult, okay, that seem to be attached to us in a way that we cannot get rid of whatever it is, right? And we would so much like this not to be with us. And yet this same thing, this same difficulty that is with us, further down the line suddenly proves to be what saves us, right? What allows us to get out of a difficult situation. To me, this story, this bit of this story illustrates just that. It is what makes Fishlegs' life really difficult in the first 2/3 of the journey, that at one point saves him and all his friends from sure death and destruction, right? And that to me is really, really something to remember. And I hope this motivates you to see difficulties in a different light. Often we resent things that are difficult. We resent our disabilities, or I'm not necessarily talking about physical disability, but we resent our difficulties, right? Does that make sense? We resent what is on our way, what we are carrying with us, and what's making our life difficult. And often it is those very things that actually make us, well, save us or make us go to the places where we need to go, that make us achieve incredible things. I have certainly very often noticed this in my own life, how things that were very difficult, that were sort of plaguing my life in a way, turned out to be my greatest allies, my greatest friends, what really made me who I am today and what allowed me to do extraordinary things in the end. I maybe will share those in a different motivation video, but I just hope that this motivates you. When you are battling with something hard, remember that this might well prove to be your greatest strength later on, further down the line. I hope this helps you. I am Sophie, Millionaire Mom. I work online. I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment below if you want me to make a motivation video or any other video on a particular topic. This channel is to serve you, is to help you. So if you have any particular need, please let me know. I will be very pleased to help you if I can. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back in another video. Bye for now.